Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are unboxing the SKIMS Swarovski collaboration Jelly Sheer Long Sleeve Catsuit in the color Sienna. Now this is the first time I'm seeing the catsuit and of course the first time I tried it on, and I must say that I am pleasantly surprised. At first I thought that the Swarovski crystal placement was a little strange, and I think seeing it in person really helped that out a little bit. So of course we do have the silver packaging and branding. This one didn't come with a box, which I thought was interesting. It must have been a return where someone didn't return the box, so that's unfortunate. Now in terms of style, you can see the crystals are all throughout the item. Where on the dress there is a large section towards the bottom where there are no crystals at all. So I do feel like they went above and beyond with this item. They do get less concentrated as you move down the garment, but it does give it a styled look. Now there is a concentration of crystals around the spine as well as the chest and pelvic area, but in person it doesn't call as much attention as I thought it would. Now this was a little too risque to post the try on, but let us know in the comments below what you think of this item. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.